Today we are going to talk about something really important. Why should we use HTML? If you are new to web development and curious about how websites are made, so this video for you. Imagine browsing the web and seeing nothing but text. Doesn't sound fun, right? That's exactly what would be happen if we don't have HTML. Let me show you why HTML is so important. HTML stands Hypertext Markup Language. It's the basic code that makes up all websites. It tells your browser how to show the content like text, pictures and videos. Think of it like structure of house. Without it, everything would just be a messy. By the end of this video, you'll understand how HTML makes websites work and why it's so easy to start using it yourself. HTML is skeleton of website. It's gives structure to everything. It shows us where the heading, paragraph and images should go. Without HTML, you will just see bunch of words without no order or no style. Let's look at this example. This is a simple web page and the HTML code what makes it look organized. Think like H1 tag for titles, P tag for paragraphs and IMG tag for images. These are all parts of HTML. HTML is really easy to learn. It's a great starting point if you want to build your own website. And when you get the hang of it, you can create your own projects in no time. Now, let me show you what happens without HTML. Without it, your website would just be random text, no design or structure. It would look pretty confusing. HTML used everywhere. Every website you visit, from blogs, social media, shopping sites or portfolios, it's built using HTML. It's the starting point for everything of the web. Does HTML sound interesting? If make sure to subscribe because next videos will be diving into how to build your own website step by step. So if you want to start creating websites or just understand how the internet works, learning HTML is the first step. It's easy, fun and important for every web developer. If you learn something new today, don't forget subscribe and join me.